Welcome to Mother and Son Toy Review. Okay, that was so weird, but yeah. First of all, I'm gonna say I'm sorry about the noises in the background because I got my windows open because it's so warm in Sweden, or so hot. And so you hear cars because I'm living right beside a road. So as you guys can see, I'm about to open some Disney Tsum Tsum Squishies Series 1. And yes, one more thing before we start. Please subscribe to our channel. And we would love if you give the video a thumbs up. And if you, give us a comment. I always try to answer everything. It just takes some days for me to do that. And for all my followers, if you get your own channel that you want me to give a shout out to, just write it down in the comments and I will fix that. But yeah, I'm just gonna start because I'm really excited to see what we got in here. Well, you can see some of them and I can see some duplicates, but let's go. So I will start off with Daisy. Let's see. I don't have her, so that's nice. So I really hope we get a checklist because I just destroyed the last one. So let's open this thing. Take out Daisy. She's really pretty. As soon as we can get some focus on her. So here she is. Oh no, she got a mark there. So there. And a secret one are. Let's see, I don't even know. Ooh, look at this one. That's pretty. Look. Oh, I will look at the checklist to see what we got and what kind of rarity they have. So this is the checklist. So we got Daisy. That's a normal one. And we also had Scrump, and that's also a normal. So that's nice. Let's take let's take the other 2-pack. Yes, there's Olaf from Frozen. I love him. And just as him, I love warm hugs. So here he is, our little Olaf. Oh, he's really squishy. Nice. And the secret one are Ooh. Oh my god, is that Sebastian? That's Sebastian, and that's a normal one. And Olaf is a normal one. Nice. And let's go for the 4-pack. So we can, let's open it first. I just hope I'm making dinner for myself because my son is at his grandma's place. So I hope I'm not burning the food because it's in the oven. It will be typical me because when I do something, I always forget it. Well, not always, but most of the time. Well, I'm just gonna blame my Asperger's or ADD. No, I'm not gonna do that. So we got all of them. So in the future we will give a how do I say it? We will have a giveaway. So we can just check out. So patch, there is a normal one. And we had Woody, that's also and that's also a normal one. And where is Buzz Lightyear, that's also a normal one. Oh sorry, there he is. So that's awesome. Only normals so far, but that's okay because I like them anyway. So let's see who our surprise is. I hope we got some focus. So let's hope there's someone I didn't have. Ooh, I didn't have this one. That is Roo from Winnie the Pooh, I think. That's a normal one. Oh, my collection is actually getting somewhere. That's nice. So let's see if I can reach this package. There we go. So here is a 5-pack. I don't know if you think this, guys, but the Tsuru toys, they make some really awesome surprise toys. I really love them. I mean, just look at Disney Tsum Tsums, and for example the 5 surprises, they are so awesome. I love them. And everything else they do, of course. So in this pack you actually get this thing. I have 2 of these, so I will have this in my giveaway. And you can store this little thing and maybe hang it on your keychain or whatever you like to have it. Maybe on your backpack. That's nice. It will fall around, but yeah. So let's see if we can get it open again. And put it over here. Oh. Hey! Don't be, Now sit there and be nice. Well, that didn't go well. Anyway. So, we're gonna start off with, well, I guess this one. This is, let's see who this is, because I have no idea. This is Squishy. It's normal one. And it actually, it was squishy. Nice. We got Mike from the Monsters Inc. And he is a normal one. And we also got Dale and I always forget the name. Dale and Bambi. No, I'm kidding. Dale and Ship. That's easy. So they are both normal ones, but they are still very cute. Look at these guys. Mwah! So let's see who our surprise is. So let's see who this surprise is. What? Hello. Oh my god, you guys. I was actually just watching the checklist and thinking, please give me Ior. Anyway, we say Ior in Swedish. So, yeah, Ior. Is that how you say it? No. Never mind, you know who he is. So, that is a rare. So, that's nice. and this mama is happy. I wonder if I could get ultra rares. That would be awesome. Anyway, so let's put him up here to show you guys all these awesome looking Tsum Tsums. So these are the ones that I got today, and to be honest, I only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 of them, so that's really nice. So let's hope I will get my collection soon, or the whole collection. One thing about Sweden is that we're so late with everything in this toy unboxing, yeah, whatever, everything with toys. I mean, we got Series 1 in Disney, like in Disney Tsum Tsums. I don't know how many series there are now, but I think there's at least 10 series, and we got Series 1, and it's the same thing with Shopkins. I mean, you guys in like the United States got Shopkins Seasons 10, I think now, and we just got Season 7. So I think there's like 1 or 2, maybe 3 places who got Season 7. I mean, come on. But for some reason, we actually, for once, got something very fast, and that was the Hatchimals Season 3. So that's nice, I think. Or it is nice, because I love Hatchimals, but yeah. We got an unboxing video with the Hatchimals Season 3, so if you guys want to see that, I can link it in the description box down below. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm sorry about my talking. I mean, yeah. I really hope you enjoyed the video anyway, and that you, just as me, loved Disney Tsum Tsums that I got. So I see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Bye!